Hello everybody. Hello, hello. So anyways, ipakita ko lang kung saan makikita yung alien number because somebody was asking here, I think somebody commented here kung saan daw po ba makikita yung alien number. Where do you find the alien number and saan ito magagamit? So you have, if you're a K1 visa filer, you need to know your alien number and you have to keep that kasi when you come here in the US, yan na po yung magiging number ninyo sa immigration. Kumbaga sa Social Security, yan na yung forever number ninyo sa SSS. Ganun po siya. So, very important po yung alien number. So, saan ba makikita yung alien number and saan makagamit? Si alien number po is magagamit ninyo when you apply for your adjustment of status dito po sa US. You need to know that. You need to keep that. If you need to write it down on a notebook or a paper, to keep it with you for your record, gawin nyo na po because that's very important. Hinahanap po yan sa immigration, most especially sa USCIS. So, saan ba makikita yung alien number? I'll show you where to find your alien number para hindi na po kayo maguluhan, para alam nyo na po saan ba siya makikita. Nasa NOAA 2 po siya or the Notice of Action, the Approved Petition from the USCIS po. Doon nyo siya makikita. Here, I will show you on this one. So this is just a sample of the NOAA 2 or the Approved Petition from USCIS, the I-797C or I-797. Ito, i-zoom in ko na lang siya para makita ninyo. So, this is the NOAA 2 from USCIS. Dito po nakalagay yung receipt number, receive, notice, kanyan. And then here sa baba, dito nakalagay case type, pangalan ni petitioner, and dito po siya sa baba, just above your name. Dito po may nakalagay beneficiary, tapos may A, and then 9-digit number. Yan po yung alien number ninyo. And please keep that one, keep this NOAA 2 or the approved petition kasi need nyo rin po ito for your adjustment of status. So, dyan po makikita ang alien number, yung may A and 9-digit number sa taas po ng pangalan ninyo sa NOAA 2. So, that's where you find your alien number. Ayan. And how to request, diba? Dito po, the approved type is valid for 4 months only. Paano ba? Ano bang mangyayari pag nag-expire siya? Hindi na ba kayo makakapag-proceed? Please check my latest video. I just uploaded a video about how to extend your I-129F petition, your approved petition. Paano ba ito i-extend? Visit now my YouTube channel. Good luck!